Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to unban from OmeTV. So first I am going to show you that I got banned. Now you can see. So you can unban your current account after paying them. You can use PayPal or debit card to pay for it. So if you have another Facebook or VK account, you can use this method. Close OmeTV tab and go to the browser history. Then click on clear browsing data and go to the advanced. Select time range to all time and tick on everything. Then clear data. Now restart your browser. Now go to the OmeTV and log in with another Facebook or VK account. You can't use the same account that you got banned. If you don't have another Facebook or VK account, then you can create a new account. I hope this video will help you, so don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.